Absolutely terrifying. Just look at how deep this was. Loose axle nut? Worn threads? Something's not right. The wheels got play, and that's why it fell off. They need to measure the stress points and rebuild stronger. One more pull. Let's see what happens. The operator is not experienced enough to perform this task.
Just a split
That was
second.
seconds away from total disaster. Happened so fast you could barely react.
Oh my gosh!
Always do a full safety check before you drive. Catches problems before they become dangerous on the road.
Jetzt kommt ein großen Deutsch.
Erst nur genug Speicher?
Das ist gar nicht was.
Brand new Deutz tractor. First real test. The front axle couldn't handle it. Snapped clean under pressure. Snow-covered roads make everything more dangerous. Traction disappears. Stopping distance doubles. Lucky this didn't end worse than it did. That Fiat 500 came in hot, like it forgot it wasn't a race car. Brakes failed to get the memo. Plowed straight into the haystack. At least it picked the softest target around. The MPM Seaside Affair 4.5 tons hit the track with power. Crowd was ready. Then, mid-pull, the wheels snapped off.
En misschien wel een show vol, want dit gaat even.
The machine pushed through, giving everything it had. But this time, it wasn't enough. Tractor tug-of-wars look fun, but the danger's real. Axles can snap, machines can flip, and someone can get hurt fast. Tamikika tractor running on 3 wheels. Once completely gone. But the operator figured out how to keep it moving anyway. Problem solving at its finest. Frozen solid, the tractor's undercarriage locked to the ground in sub-zero temps. Engine won't help here.
Frozen to the terrain.
They brought in a second tractor, hooked up, and pulled steady. Took coordination, but they broke it free. T40 versus MTZ 82 inches, a tug of war. Classic tractor versus newer model. Which one do you think wins? Drop your pick in the comments. Using chains to pull tractors uphill is common practice. Even though the risks are real, most operators accept those risks as part of the job. John Deere 6920, built like a tank, but right now, pinned under its own heavy load. This needs help now. Every second waiting makes it worse. Get it out before the situation turns critical. MTZ 892 buried in mud, axles deep. Looked like it was finished. Then the MTZ 1025 showed up, hooked the chain, and yanked it out without breaking a sweat. Case STX 535 has more horsepower on paper, 535 versus the Deere's 530. But track design and weight distribution can make up that difference. This pull's going to be closer than most people expect. The Steyr 8000, 180 with 180 horsepower working at full capacity. Solid tractor that handles heavy jobs reliably.